Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Well, I will take you to an unusual börek shop. Not much people knows, even local people, they don't know about this restaurant. Actually, it's not a restaurant, it's like a tiny little börek place. Serve only böreks. It's called Cig Borek. It's so delicious. Actually, it's famous in Eskişehir. It's another city in Turkey. But they make the best Cig Borek in Istanbul, in Odabasi. Odabasi is close to Aksaray and the Beyazıt area. You can come here easily via tram, a little bit walking. You can come here, you can visit this place. Let's go. I'm so excited to go there, so impatient to eat that Cig Borek. Let's go together. Actually, it's in the middle of nowhere, so I will give you the exact location in the description so you can find it easily when you are in Istanbul. Let's go. Well, it is a tiny shop. It has only 3 tables, so I hope we can find a place to sit. Alright, we just arrived to the place. That tiny shop is the Cig Borek shop, Cig Borek place. They have only 3 tables, unfortunately, so if you come here really crowded, you may not find a place to sit, so you can wait a little. Maybe you will see the line. Sometimes there's a line in front of the shop, but luckily we don't have the line today, so we will go and have some Cig Borek. Let's go. You just hold it and you bite it with your hands. It's more delicious this way. Well, if you're wondering what is inside, there's minced beef, some black pepper, salt. That's it. Not much stuff. It's only one kind. If you are vegetarian, I'm sorry you can't eat this because they have only one type of this börek and they serve it with ayran. And you know what? The most interesting thing is the price. So this one is just 4 lira. So for $1 you can buy 2 of these börek. This is delicious. I'm not kidding. This is so delicious. So I'm sure you will not find any English video about this börek. You will find it only in my channel. So if you like it, don't forget to subscribe. And this is important with the börek. This is called ayran. This is the traditional Turkish drink. Yogurt and a bit salt in it. We mix it with water. And here is ayran. So good. That's the tiny Cig Borek shop behind me, and he is the owner. So he's the owner after his father. His father opened this shop in 1950, and he is the new owner now. And I will give you the exact location in the description. You can find this place and you can come and visit this Cig Borek shop. And he is the owner.
Welcome to Istanbul.
Welcome to Istanbul. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. If you like my Istanbul videos or other videos, please comment below. And what would you like to see in this channel? Thank you. Bye bye. See you in another video. Bye bye.